Hi guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I have another Grove collaborative unboxing for you guys. So I have been using Grove for the past month and a half now, and I have to tell you guys, I absolutely love it. So I'm going to share with you guys what I have repurchased from them. So hence the repurchase means I really like it. So I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite items from Grove Collaborative, as well as two things that I did not like. So there are a few things from Grove that I do not care for, but there are some things I do like. So I'm going to share with you guys my favorites and my not so favorites. So let's just jump into it. So Grove Collaborative is an online website where you can order various cleaning supplies, household items, baby items. There's also personal care items, toothpaste, toothbrush, but it's all natural stuff. So you'll see 7th Generation and Mrs. Meyer's. So everything that Grove Collaborative sells is environmentally friendly, and it's safe for pets and kids, and overall just the ingredients that are inside the items that you are using are a lot better for you. And a lot of you guys have suggested me making like my own cleaners using vinegar. I have tried that, but I hate the smell of vinegar with cleaning. I just hate it. Like, it literally makes me sick. So that is why I don't make my own cleaners, because I detest the smell of vinegar. So that is just not going to work for me. But anyways, I'm going to get in to show you guys some of the things that I have repurchased. So my favorite toilet bowl cleaner, absolute favorite, the Method antibacterial toilet cleaner, and this is in spearmint. Never have I tried a toilet bowl cleaner that smells like spearmint. So most of the times, like the Lysol ones are very chemically smelling, and just not a favorite. So this leaves your toilet smelling minty fresh. So love this stuff, repurchased it. I went through my bottle like that. So repurchased that. And then I've also been using the 7th Generation Dishwasher Detergent Gel. So I actually like this better than the power packs, like the little like packs you put in the dishwasher. I find that my dishes are cleaner when I use a liquid detergent versus the pods. So this is in the lemon scent, and this is 7th Generation. So I was running low on that, and my subscription order came right in time, along with my Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap. So it cuts grease, it's biodegradable, it's in the lemon verbena scent. So like I mentioned in some of my cleaning videos, I use this to clean the sink, inside of my sink, and then I also use this to clean my stovetop, and then I also use this to clean the microwave, and then of course I use this to clean dishes. So this is definitely a multifunctional product here. So really love this, hence why I reordered it again. Next item that I have been ordering from Grove Collaborative is the 7th Generation diapers. So I'm really liking these diapers for Sawyer, because he does have really sensitive skin. Like, this kid can get a rash just like that. So I've really been enjoying the 7th Generation diapers on him, and the prints are really cute. Last month he had these little owls, and this month it looks like they have little bears on it. I know like the print doesn't really matter, but I went ahead and reordered some of these. And then to go along with that, I did buy a few more packs of 7th Generation baby wipes, because again, I like that there's no scent to these, and they're really sensitive, and you can use these for hands and face as well. So I went ahead and ordered 4 more of these guys. And then I ordered another package of 7th Generation paper towels. I like these paper towels. They do its job. I've been using less paper towels since I switched over to microfiber towels. So the amount of paper towels that we're using is a lot lower, and I like that these towels are recycled. So, you know, I live in California now, so I'm really getting into that, you know, green movement here. So we're a very green state, so we like to use recycled products. So definitely being earth friendly, going with the 7th Generation paper towels. So those are some items that I have repurchased because I absolutely love them. And what's cool about Grove Collaborative is they have a subscription type based order for you. So They will cater your order to when they think that you'll need something. And literally, I ran out of this and I checked my doorstep and my order had came. So it was right on time for both of these items because I go through dish products really, really quickly. So that came in the nick of time, literally. So now I'm going to get into a few things that I don't care for. So first thing that I do not care for is the 7th generation trash bags. So one of my first things that I don't like about it is the scent of them. So they are recycled, they're made from recycled materials, and like the scent I just do not like. When I first started smelling like this, like it kind of smelled urine-like. That's the scent I was getting from these. And at first I thought, oh, maybe one of the dogs peed and I didn't realize it and that's what the scent was coming from. But no, it's like the actual scent of the trash bag and I really don't like it. And my husband had mentioned that he doesn't really care for these either because they rip really easily. So the trash bag is really thin, so they're not really heavy duty. So this would be something that I definitely would not recommend. Ordering from Grove, especially since the cost that Grove Collaborative has for these items are not that great. So, and you only get 20 in a package. So I would say go for a different paper towel brand, or not paper towel. I would go for a different trash bag brand if I were you. And then the next thing that I do not care for, it's the Method Antibacterial All-Purpose Cleaner in the Wildflower. Now I love the Method cleaners, but I think it was just this scent that I really didn't like. Yeah, it just really didn't do anything for me. But in terms of disinfecting and killing germs and cleaning and stuff, like this is a great product, but I just did not like this scent. So I would recommend the Method cleaners, but I would not recommend that specific scent. It was just too fragrant for me. So definitely would not recommend that one. But if you are someone who likes Wildflower, then maybe you will like it. So these are just the 2 items that really just did not work for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I will have a link below for you guys to go ahead and check out Grove for yourself. When you sign up with the link below, you get a free $10. So if you honestly just wanted to get some diapers, you could buy 2 packages of diapers and then add an additional diaper and then you'll get that one for free. So basically you would be getting 3 diapers for the price of 2. So if you're someone who likes to go for more of the natural products, this is a great way to save on these types of items because I did price point this stuff over at Target, and Target has the same exact pricing as Grove Collaborative because Grove will discount the price down when you sign up for the subscription service. So it's similar to Amazon where they have their subscribe and save program, very similar to Grove Collaborative. So if you're someone who just likes to do their shopping online and you don't want to have to think about some of these essential household things that you need constantly and you just want a ordering service to go ahead and just order all this stuff, then Grove is definitely a way to go. You get free shipping and their prices are comparable to Target as well as Walmart because I have checked. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have tried any of these items below, and thank you guys so much for using my referral link because I was able to go ahead and get some of these items thanks to the referrals from you guys. So again, thank you guys so much for signing up with my link, and if you are at all curious about Grove and you want to sign up yourself and get $10 in free Grove credit, then the link is below, and I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will talk to everyone later. Happy cleaning! Bye!